Picture this, you open your eyes and the first thing you see is not white walls but open greenery rising towards the sky. And this is not any vacation, this can be your dream home at BPTP Emstoria, Water Green, Sector 102, Dwarka Expressway. Hi everyone, I'm Soumya Srivastav from 100acres.com, your true real estate partner, and today I'm here to show you what exactly future-ready green luxury living looks like. But before I give you a walkthrough of this incredible creation, let me tell you about the brand behind it, that is BPTP. BPTP is not just any real estate company, it's a legacy which is built on all the innovation and trust. For decades, they have shaped the Delhi NCR skyline with their landmark projects, creating not just homes but a vibrant lifestyle where families grow, memories bloom, and future shines. And today with Water Greens, BPTP is once again back, setting up a new benchmark. Now let's talk about the location, because where you live defines how you live. Located at the blooming Dwarka Expressway Growth Corridor, BPTP's Emstoria Water Greens connects you effortlessly to the best of Gurgaon and Delhi. IGI Airport, just minutes away. Diplomatic enclave at your doorstep. Leading schools, hospitals and malls in your neighborhood, and metro connectivity bringing you closer to the heart of Delhi than ever. As the vision says, Emstoria Water Greens, spread across a lush 12 acres, it is not just any ordinary high-rise, it is a green rise. Phase 1 is spread across 9.43 acres with 5 magnificent towers, ground plus 45 floors into the sky, and with only 4 exclusive homes per floor, ensuring maximum privacy to you all. So I have already told you about the location, but now let me tell you some major highlights, some major key points about this project. Awarded with the prestigious IGBC Platinum rating, built on the stunning vertical garden theme, equipped with 7 high-speed elevators in every tower, and a massive 2 lakh square feet clubhouse. Because true luxury is where you live your best life. So yes, now let me show you the sample apartment of Emstoria Water Greens. Come with me. So now let me show you what a luxurious 3 BHK of Emstoria Water Greens looks like. Welcome to the living area of a perfect 3 BHK sample flat. So yeah, this is your luxurious living area. This is your family lounge. And this is your perfect dining area. And just look at this, look at the finishes of the design, and yes, this is the main thing. As the name says, Water Greens, and just look at this. So much greenery, so much luxury at just one place. Look at the view of the deck, like so much greenery, perfect for your morning, for your private, party, for a private time. And yeah, this is all what luxury means according to me. And now let's move ahead and let's explore what this beautiful home has for you. Welcome to the room number 1. So this is the first bedroom of this 3 BHK sample flat of Emstoria Water Greens. Perfect for your family. It comes with a beautiful design, so much comfortable. I think every corner of this place makes you feel more peaceful and comfortable. So yeah, this room comes with a beautiful wardrobe, and yeah, you also get a beautiful attached balcony with it. Perfect to spend your morning and evening time with your family. Just look at this. Welcome to the second bedroom of this luxurious home. And yeah, this is, I think, a master bedroom, much more spacious than the first one. And yeah, I think this is a beautiful study table I found here. And if you are someone who loves watching, if you are someone who loves reading books, or you want some privacy, I think this is the perfect kind of study table, or whatever you call it. You can just sit here and just relax and do your work. So I just found a book here. It's written here, Modernity Released. And this is what I'm feeling right now. This bedroom comes with a beautiful walk-in closet. Just look at this. So yeah, this is a spacious walk-in closet for your family, which comes with a beautiful washroom. Come with me, let me show you. Look at the fittings, look at the design, everything is so beautiful. And then we have got a beautiful powder room as well. Now let's enter to the heart of the home, that is kitchen, and I know you must be agreeing with me. So yeah, this kitchen is so beautiful, something different which I have explored earlier. So I'm very sure when you will be here, cooking something for your family, you are going to love this view. This kitchen comes with a beautiful double door refrigerator, and you will find everything which is necessary for you here. And I love the finishes, I love the fittings, I love the color first of all. This is so wonderful. But if you want some changes according to you, you can do it as well, and we can also help you with it. Now let's enter to the third bedroom of this 3 BHK apartment, and this is your third bedroom. Loved the wall design and loved the interior, loved the view of the outside. So much greenery again, as the name says, vertigreens, and this is the washroom of this third room. I love the mirror. The size of the mirror is really good. You get ample space here in this washroom. So this was all about this high luxury 3 BHK sample apartment. You get wide open layouts, spacious bedrooms that speaks comfort, sleek modular kitchen where style meets practicality, and luxurious bathrooms for your everyday indulgence. So if you dream living above the ordinary, if you believe that a home should grow, breathe and rise with you, then your search ends here. Reach us out at 100acres.com and call us right now and the number given below for more information, because from discovery to documentation, we are here to help you at all these steps. But remember, great opportunities does not wait forever. Limited homes but unlimited dreams. Book a site visit today with 100acres.com. Our experts are here to help you, because from discovery to documentation, we are here to help you at every stage to find your dream home.